Marketing automation, the buzzword today. We hear a lot about marketing and automation, and somehow we are not able to use it to its fullest because it's very, very expensive. It's thousands of dollars of spend every single month to automate your marketing. But if you watch this video till the end, you are going to get all of the marketing automation tools for something that is as low as $200 a month. Yes, you need to keep watching this video till the end, and I am going to share with you that secret where you can get the entire marketing automation tools that starts from $200 per month. Yeah, so marketing automation used to be something that was only possible to be used by the big companies, big agencies having hundreds of agents. But today, marketing automation can be used by you. No matter if you're a solo business owner, a solo agent, having a very small team, or whoever you are, you can be using marketing automation today. Yeah, but what exactly is marketing automation? Why do you need to use marketing automation? Why is it the buzzword today? Why is it really important that you use marketing automation? Let me tell you. Being a real estate agent or a realtor, you do not have the time always to be in front of your system. You do not have always the time to respond to the leads and to the people who are connecting with you online. You do not have enough time to follow up or nurture the leads that are there with you. You do not have time to do all of these things. And what you do is you automate all of these things. This does not only save you a lot of time, but it also makes sure that your pipeline is always full of leads. You do not miss on the opportunities. You do not miss on a lead who came 3 months back, but just because you got busy with something else, you forgot about that inquiry and you never turned back to them, or you did not follow up them, and because of which they went to some other agent and you lost that lead, which could have been converted simply if you were connected, simply if you would have been sending him some emails, simply if you would have been sending him some messages. And all of this can be done by simple marketing automations. Okay, so what are the few examples of marketing automation? Sending welcome emails. As a business owner, whenever you sign up for some certain softwares or certain services, there are certain founders or business owners who take or who make sure that they send you a personalized email welcoming you and thanking you to use their services. How valued do you feel when you receive an email from a founder saying that, "Hey Sam, thanks for buying this product and the service. I'm there at your service. If you have any questions, any queries, any suggestions, any feedback, do hit me a call, drop me a message or send me a mail, and I'm there for you." How valued do you feel as a customer? And that is exactly how you need to make your customers, your leads, your prospects feel. And you do that by sending them a welcome email. When do you send them a welcome email? When they maybe sign up a contact form, like submit a contact form on your website, or maybe they send you a message on your social media platform, or they do some kind of inquiry from you online or offline. You send them a welcome email that is a note from the founder, the business owner himself, messaged, addressed to the person who you are sending the message to. You can automate this. Yes. Number 2 is sending personalized updates to homeowners and home buyers. To home sellers and home buyers, you need to be sending personalized updates relevant only to them, not a generalized email, but specialized email for a specialized category. So if you are sending an email to a home buyer, the emails should be relevant to, should be making sense to the home buyer. The home buyer should be taking out time to go to your mail, check it out, read it. Because in this noisy market where everybody is getting constantly bombarded with content, if you are not sending specialized, customized content to your prospects, they are not going to give their time to you. So you need to be sending personalized home owner or home buyer and home seller updates to your users. You can again automate this. Number 3 is having chatbots on your website. Yes, this is important. Whenever you have a website, what we miss on is having a chatbot. What this chatbot does is engages with anybody who comes onto your website as if it was you sitting at the back end 24/7 responding to their messages. You would have come across a lot of websites where chatbots are already being used, and there are high chances that you would have already got engaged by some chatbots in the past and you would have found it exciting yourself. But why is it missing in your website? It's not expensive. It is not expensive if you use the agent growth system that I'm going to again tell you towards the end of the video. And if you be with me till the end of the very video, and if you hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and a comment below, I'm also going to share with you some ad templates, some email follow-up templates that you can use to grow your business. Yes, these ad templates, these email follow-up templates have been used to generate thousands and thousands of dollars of revenue, hundreds of leads by agents like you. Okay, so that was number 3, use of chatbots to automate your marketing. Number 4 is you need to build a library of content. It could be in the form of a recorded video, it could be in the form of blog posts, it could be in the form of PDF documents, whatever you are comfortable in. But you need to have a repository of content classified into different categories that talks about the most common problems, the most common questions of home buyers or home sellers or whatever you are transacting, whatever kind of clients you work with, whatever kinds of prospects you work with. You need to know, you already are aware of the most common questions, the most common problems, the most common things that they would love to know from you. You create a repository, you create a library of content specially for them, and once they come into your email list, once they come into your system, or that automated system that we would be building, you keep sending them every week. This does not only keep them engaged, but they find it really valuable, because in those contents you are talking exactly about the problems that they are facing today. So build a library of content, automate the flow so that they keep receiving those contents every week or whatever frequency you choose to engage with them. Now you need to start using automatic content writers, AI content writers. You cannot always be creating so much of content. The kind of content, the amount of content that is required today for being active on social media, you might not always be able to create that kind of content. What you need to do is use AI tools like Jasper.ai. An amazing tool to use. I use it for myself a lot, and you should be giving it a try. A must try. Yeah. Next is booking appointments. You might have been using Calendly or some other booking appointment tools, but what if I say that you can automate that as well? You can automate the entire workflow from when a lead comes into your system, that is, they submit a lead form, a contact form, to nurturing them, sending them a welcome email, sending them the library of content emails, to asking them to book an appointment with you, to booking an appointment and you getting on a call with them. What if I say that I have a tool that can automate everything? Yes, and to automate all of these things, you do not need to spend thousands and thousands of dollars every month. If you go out in the market and buy all the tools separately, so let's say you buy a email marketing software, you buy a booking automation tool, you buy a drip email campaign tool, you buy a funnel building software, you buy all of these different things. What if I say you that agent growth system gives you all of these powerful things combined at one place, which if you go out and buy would cost you about $6,000 a month, and we give it, our plans start at about $200 a month. Exciting. Yes, it is exciting. And if you hit on the like button, if you have already subscribed to the channel, tell me in the comments below you want to get access of the 7 days trial period of agent growth system, and I'll be sharing with you the access. You can try it for yourself how exciting the system is. I will get on an onboarding call with you to explain you how the system works, and you will really find it exciting to use, useful for you. This will change the dynamics of how you do business. This will change the dynamics of how you work. It will change everything around you. You will get things automated. You will suddenly see things working for you. You will suddenly see things working in your favor. Why? Because now you have a system that is bringing in lead automatically. You have a system that is nurturing the leads automatically. You have a system that is booking the leads, booking an appointments again automatically. And yes, the appointments is something that you will have to do personally. We cannot have that automated as of now. But yeah, this is exciting, this is interesting, and this is also for you, whether you are a solo agent or a small agent. This is not only for big corporates or big companies. This is also for you coming at, or the price is starting at $200 a month. You must be trying it. You must be using it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'm there to answer to all of your queries and questions. Have a great and a wonderful day. Bye-bye.